Welcome to our channel. Today we how to clear Safari history, fast fix step by step clearly. To clear Safari history, start by opening the Safari browser on your device. Locate the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on History in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Clear History. From this menu, a new window will pop up, offering different time ranges. Choose the desired time range for which you want to clear history. Options typically include the last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. After selecting the time range, confirm your selection. Click the Clear History button to proceed. Safari will then remove your browsing history for the chosen period. Once completed, the window will automatically close. You can now continue using Safari with a clean slate. If you want to ensure all data like cookies and cache are cleared, go to Preferences under the Safari menu. In the Preferences window, click on the Privacy tab. Here, select Manage Website Data. This allows you to remove stored cookies and cache. Click Remove All to clear all data stored by websites. Confirm your action in the pop-up that appears. Now you have fully cleared your Safari history and other stored information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.